In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Calendar to Notion. By the end, you'll have your Google Calendar visible right inside a Notion page so you can reference your schedule without switching tabs. First, open Google Calendar in your browser. Click the gear icon in the top right corner and choose Settings. On the left sidebar, look for the section labeled Settings for My Calendars. Then select the specific calendar you want to display in Notion. This is important because each calendar has its own sharing and integration options. Scroll to Access Permissions for Events. Here, you have two ways to make the calendar embeddable. You can set it to public, which makes the calendar viewable by anyone with the link. If you prefer to keep details limited, scroll further to Integrate Calendar and use the public sharing link from there. A quick tip: if privacy is a concern, consider creating a separate calendar just for the events you want to show in Notion, so you're not exposing personal or sensitive information. In the Integrate Calendar section, copy the public URL to the calendar. You may also see an iCal link. The public URL generally gives the best interactive embed inside Notion, so start with that. Now switch to Notion and open the page where you want the calendar to appear. In the page, type Embed and choose the Embed block from the menu. Paste your Google Calendar link into the field and click Embed. You should see the calendar load within a few seconds. If it doesn't appear, double check that the calendar is set to public or that you're using the correct public link, then refresh the page. Once it's visible, adjust the size to fit your layout. You can drag the block's handles to change width, and if you want even more space, toggle your page to full width. This makes month or week views easier to read. A quick note about syncing: the embedded view updates automatically as your Google Calendar changes, but you can't create or edit events directly inside Notion. If you need two-way editing or to mirror events into a Notion database, consider third-party tools like Notion Automations or Zapier and follow their setup guides. That's it. Your Google Calendar is now connected in Notion. You can switch views, scroll through dates, and click events to open them in Google Calendar when needed. If this was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Notion tips and tutorials.